Can you solve this equation? Most people immediately split it into three different cases. That works, but today we are going to solve it without any casework at all. All we need is one simple picture. Absolute value simply measures distance. The blue segment is the distance from x to 3. The red segment is the distance from x to minus 2. Watch what happens as the point moves. As long as it stays between the two fixed points, the total distance never changes. It's always 5. And that is the entire trick. This is not an algebra problem, it's a distance problem. Once you stop thinking about the symbols and start thinking about movement on a number line, the solution becomes much more intuitive. Let's use this idea to finish the puzzle. The smallest possible total distance is the distance between the two fixed points. That is 5. But our equation asks for 7. We need 2 extra units of travel. The only way to get them is to move outside the interval. 1 unit beyond the left endpoint gives the first solution. 1 unit beyond the right endpoint gives the second. And we have solved the problem without ever splitting into cases. The best part is that this idea works for every equation of the form absolute of x minus a plus absolute of x minus b equals k. The smallest possible value is always the distance between the two fixed points, absolute of a minus b. If the right hand side equals that minimum, every point between a and b is a solution. If it's larger, you'll get exactly 2 solutions, one on each side. Sometimes the hardest looking equation becomes the easiest one once you discover the picture hidden inside it. And that is what I love about math. The solution isn't always behind more calculations, but in a better way of looking at the problem. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.